Hi, my name is Wayne Morgan with the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. When I first decided to get into real estate, I was very excited about the opportunities to do something new, get in control of my time, learn about real estate, and get paid for helping others. It seemed like the ideal opportunity. I was a good student, I paid attention in class, I asked lots of questions, I studied the material, and I passed my state exam with flying colors and got my license. I was proud of that accomplishment and look forward to my future in the real estate business. As the days went by, my phone didn't ring with calls from people wanting to buy or sell their home. I became concerned. My broker told me to knock on doors and ask people if they wanted to sell their house. So I did. When I asked people if they wanted to sell their house, I received a variety of responses. Everything from, "Why? Do you know something I don't know?" to "Go away and don't come back." The rejection level was high. After several days, I had knocked on hundreds of doors. Most went unanswered, some were polite, some were not, a very few were rude, and 2 were just plain threatening. I went back to my broker, I told him what happened, asked him what to do to get some business, and he said, "Call all your neighbors and ask every one of them if they want to sell the house." So I did. From 6 to 9 p.m. every weeknight, I called people in my neighborhood and asked them if they wanted to sell their house. When I finished that, I called other neighborhoods. I called night after night for days and days, and no one was interested in selling. This was even worse. They were also very rude and threatening, and the rejection level was even higher. By now, I had heard several hundred no's. I was now several weeks into the business and still no prospects. I sat on the phone to the office. I held open houses. I did everything, but still no qualified prospects. I just didn't know what to do or how to do it. Then I saw an ad in the paper about a real estate marketing seminar in Arizona, so I went. I left there with bags full of books, tapes, plans, schedules, you name it, I bought it. Then I started following the instructions and practicing and learning how to schedule my time, how to find and talk to people who want to buy or sell today, and my business took off. Finally, a system that worked. I started listing homes right and left. My buyers saw my lawn signs, called me and bought homes from me. I was spending more time at the closing table, and by using the referral system I was taught, I never had to knock on doors or cold call ever again. The scripts, systems, and processes I learned were so successful that I became one of the top producers in the city, and 5 years later, bought my own real estate education company with my wife. We call it the Real Estate Business School, and together we have built it into the #1 real estate business school in the state. We teach you how to get your license and how to use it. We're the only school in the state that includes 40 hours of mentoring with your licensing courses. My license did not prepare me for the business, and yours won't either. You never have to travel out of state to get training because we have it right here in Austin, and it's broadcast across the state. We call it the Fast Start program because that's what it does. It gets you off to a fast start by showing you what to do and how to do it. From day one, we will condense what most agents learn in their first entire 2,000 hours, or the first year, into 40 hours. So if you want to get your business off to a fast start and get to the closing table sooner, buy the 7-course Fast Start package and get in on the next scheduled mentoring class as fast as you can. If you're already licensed and, like I was, you're struggling to find buyers and sellers and you don't know what to say to them when you do, press the reset button. Start over, start faster, and start getting paid sooner. Just click on the link below to learn more and to register. Email or call if you have any questions. We want you to succeed. That's why we created a curriculum no other school has. Get your license. Learn to use it. The Real Estate Business School. Because there's more to real estate than just getting a license. Now go mind your own business.